Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is tandoori chicken. Now they say you learn something new every day, and today I've learned the difference between tandoori chicken and chicken tikka. Apparently tandoori chicken is bone-in and boneless chicken pieces used for chicken tikka. That's it. Marinades are the same, cooking process is the same. So furnished with that bit of information, you can go and bore your friends to death in the pub. Having said all that, it's a really tasty dish. And if you're gonna make it, the list of ingredients is down in the description box below. Anyway, the first thing we do for this recipe is prep the chicken. And to do this, simply remove all the skin and using a sharp knife, put several slashes in all the flesh, as you see here. The next thing you do is put all the marinade ingredients into a bowl and mix together well. It's at this point, if you want your tandoori chicken to be that vibrant red colour you get in restaurants, you're going to need to put some red food colouring into the mixture. Now I don't use food colouring, but if you want your chicken to look radioactive, fire away. I have seen numerous recipes where they use Kashmiri chilli powder to give you the red vibrant colour, but the chilli police in my house won't let me use too much chilli, so I've got to work with what I got. Whatever colouring you use on your chicken, the next thing you do is add the chicken to the bowl and thoroughly turn through the marinade until the whole chicken is covered inside and out. This procedure could be messy, so my advice is get your wife to do it. Then when your wife's finished the messy bit, get her to wash her hands, put cling film over the chicken and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Then when the chicken's had 2 hours in the marinade, it's time to cook. And to do this, simply remove any excess marinade from the chicken and lay the chicken out on a roasting tray, as you see here. Then it's off to a preheated 180°C oven for 45 minutes. And when the 45 minutes are up, simply remove from the oven, turn the bird over, place it back in the oven for a further 30 minutes or until fully cooked through. And when this is achieved, you're ready to serve. We do hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.